Hello everyone. Welcome to latest update program. The topic of discussion is India's new resolve. This topic relates to science and technology section of the UPSC CSE syllabus. Recently, Defence Minister inaugurated the BrahMos integration and testing facility in Lucknow, marking a significant step toward India's self-reliance in defence manufacturing. The inauguration coincided with the virtual announcement of Operation Sindoor, a military operation targeting terrorist infrastructure in Pakistan and Pakistan-occupied Kashmir. Before moving further, an important announcement. The offline batch of the IAS Foundation course, Prelims plus Mains, has started at Drishti IAS, Noida. Admissions are now open for both the English medium and Hindi medium batches. For more details, contact 87501-87501. Now let's discuss key highlights of the event. Operation Sindoor. This operation emphasizes India's zero-tolerance policy towards terrorism, with a focus on dismantling terror infrastructure across the border while ensuring minimal harm to civilians. Strategic impact. The operation is part of India's broader effort to safeguard national security, building on previous successful actions such as surgical strikes and airstrikes after the Pulwama attack. BrahMos Integration Facility, the new 200-acre facility with an investment of 300 crore rupees, is central to India's defence self-reliance, handling missile integration, avionics, and propellants for the BrahMos system. Employment and economic benefits. The facility will create around 500 direct jobs and 1,000 indirect jobs, boosting industrialization and skill development in Uttar Pradesh. Now let's talk about BrahMos and its strategic significance. The BrahMos is a supersonic cruise missile developed through a joint venture between India's Defence Research and Development Organization, DRDO, and Russia's NPO Mashinostroyenia, under the company BrahMos Aerospace. The missile's name is a portmanteau of the Brahmaputra, India, and Moskva, Russia, rivers. The BrahMos missile is seen as a powerful deterrent to adversaries, combining advanced technologies from both India and Russia to provide unmatched capabilities in defense. The facility aligns with India's Atmanirbhar Bharat initiative and is part of the Uttar Pradesh Defence Industrial Corridor, UPDIC, reinforcing India's commitment to becoming a global defense manufacturing hub. It's time to test your knowledge. And the question is, where was the BrahMos integration and testing facility inaugurated? A. Lucknow, Uttar Pradesh. B. Delhi. C. Chennai, Tamil Nadu. D. Mumbai, Maharashtra. Send the answer in the comment section. Thanks for watching.
For more informative content, like, share and subscribe, and do not forget to press the bell icon to get the notifications.